Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Continuing to the course, here we are going to discuss a very important topic of the C programming language, that is decision making structures. Okay, so C conditional statements allow us to make a decision based on the result of the condition provided or either given by us. So far we have seen that C programs are executed in a sequential manner, in the order in which they are written without having any jump. But there may be some situation where you have to change the order of the execution of the statements depending upon some of the conditions, and this give rise to the concept that is also the topic of this video, that is decision making structures. Okay, so here we can start our video. Okay, so here is our source file. Let me just remove this program. Okay, so let us start with the if statement. Okay, and let us just write a very simple program to use if statement. Okay, so here I'm gonna write in the comment that what we are going to do in this program. Okay, program to learn about decision making structure by using if. Okay, if statement actually. Okay, so as usual we can start with the header file. Okay, now put here a void main so that our function cannot return any value. Okay, now put here braces, and let me now initialize a variable here, and let me use here int, and let me give its name as n. Okay, you can use any other name also. Okay, and now let me give the value of the n from the user. Okay, so let me use here the print statement. Okay, now here we have to write enter the value of n. Okay, and for the input we have to use the scanf statement, and for the int entity we have to use here %d, and now put here a comma and then ampersand n. Okay, which will allow us to store the input value to the int n. Okay, so now this way our value will be given by the user, and now we are in a position to use if statement. Okay, now see the syntax of the if statement very carefully. Okay, here you have to write if, then you have to give the brackets, and inside the bracket you have to give the condition. Okay, so here I'm giving a very simple condition, n equal 5. Okay, now put here braces, and let me use here a print statement. Okay, printf. Okay, I am writing here something, you are lucky. Okay, now put here a semicolon. Okay, so if our condition is true, then the statement inside the if statement will be printed, otherwise it will not be printed. Okay, so let me now run this program. Okay, here as you can see, enter the value of n. So let me give here 5. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, as you can see, you are lucky is printed on our output screen. Okay, let me now run this program again. Okay, let us just give the another value. Okay, let me give here 4, and here as you can see, none of the statement is printed here. Okay, I think you got it, how to use the condition inside the if block. And here the double equal sign is a kind of relational operator. Okay, relational operator, it is used to compare the entities, as I told you back in my video of operator that we will be using these operators in our forthcoming videos. Okay, so you just don't have to worry about anything. Okay, so now let me just use another condition here. Okay, let me give here n greater than 5. Okay, and now let me run this program. and now let me give a value which is greater than 5. Okay, let me here give here 8, and our condition is true. Okay, so this is printed. Okay, now let me run this again, and let me now give a smaller value. Okay, let me give here 2, and as you can see, none of the statement is printed here. And here is the thing which I want to tell you, that C language assume non-zero and non-null value as true, and 0 and null value as false. Okay, now let me just show you, and let me first comment this all. Okay, this way you can comment a complete paragraph. Okay, and now let me give here a non-zero value, let me give here 2. Okay, and now let me just run the program, and as you can see, 2 is a non-zero value, so it is accepting is as a true. Okay, and now let me give here null. Okay, now let me just run this program, and as you can see, nothing is printed here. Okay, now let me just give it here 0. Okay, it will also be treated as false. Okay, as you can see, none of the statement is printed. Okay, I think you got it all. So this is all what I want to tell you in this video, and I think the video is good enough. And in our next video we will learn about the if else statement. Okay, this is Shoaib signing off. Take care. Goodbye.